foods na nagpapabusog sa atin and which will slow down the absorption of sugar sa diet natin.
And for that to happen, kailangan may commitment din kayo to really monitor. So, hindi lang yan pwede sabihin na, okay na ako, ganun. You really have to have evidence.
Someone would like to ask, bakit kaya madalas mamanhid ang kamay at daliri ko? Is that related to high blood pressure, Doc Rona, or totally different issue ba yun for our listeners?
Okay, so when you have numbness or pagmamanhid sa daliri, maraming iba't ibang possible causes, no? So for example, if you only experience it in one hand, or in both hands, generally, if meron kang na experience sa pagmamanhid, ibig sabihin, yung nerves mo that supply that certain area, pwedeng yung blood supply to the nerves is cut off. And that's why hindi mo nararamdaman or pins and needles yung mararamdaman mo. So that's one possible cause. So there are certain positions, for example, kung nagta-type ka palagi, or if you're a lot of desk work and you're frozen at a certain position, that can cause that. But another possible cause also is vitamin deficiencies, especially if sa tips ng fingers mo nararamdaman yung pagmamanhid. It can be vitamin B12 deficiency or another B vitamin deficiency that could cause that. And lastly, another cause also, actually not really related to hypertension, but more of diabetes, no? One of the complications of diabetes is poor yung blood flow to your nerves and to the the smaller arteries that you have in your body ay nabablock din siya because of the excess sugar. And that's what can cause yung numbness or pagmamanhid sa fingers.
We'll recap yung answer, no, for all those na nakikinig online. Sabi ni Doc Rona, no, maraming causes of pagmamanhid ng daliri. It could be from poor nutrient status, pwedeng may diabetes, pwede rin po yung naipit yung blood flow. I think, Doc Rona, tama ba? Yung nakaupo tayo ng matagal sa banyo, di ba minsan namamanhid yung dulo ng mga paa natin after nakaupo ka sa CR ng mga 20 or 30 minutes. Yun siguro blood flow related, no, yung ganong type of experience.
Agree. So meron talagang certain positions kaya important, like what Doc Creams was saying kanina, na important to exercise, move from time to time, avoid being sedentary or being just in a single position for prolonged periods of time para maiwasan din yung lack of blood flow.
So yung blood flow talaga. So same lang, Doc Rona, dun sa, kung i-connect natin dun sa explanation ng high blood pressure, very related siya dun sa bahay, diba, na nagbabara-bara yung mga ugat from garbage, toxins, diba, yung na-discuss natin kanina. So, mostly, Doc Rona, yung pagmamanhid, combining lang yung explanation dun sa kanina, dun sa una kong i-discuss yung sa'yo, meron blockage sa flow. Whether yung blockage natin is from toxins, blockage natin is from food, yung mga coloring additive, yung mga sugar, sobra sa fats, and so dun pwedeng magkaroon ng pagmamanhid.